So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from your RBC bank account on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up on the home screen here, go to the top, press on PayPal balance, then press on add money, and then select the amount of money that you want to add. So for this example, if I wanted to add $10, I'll press on 10 and then I'll go this way. So where it says choose a way to add funds, you can go ahead and link a bank account, or you can just exit out of this, press on with your bank right here, choose a bank account, link a bank account, and then at the top here where it says popular banks, you can select RBC. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and sign into your RBC account by using your username, your password, and then you can agree and link your RBC bank account and then add the funds that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add money from your RBC bank account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.